see if we can get in here. Riperian Plaza. This looks pretty interesting. See if we can get in there. See if we can ride the lift. So, oh look, CompassPLUS again. Ow, my head. If you can get to the top. Gee.
Sixth floor. Going up.
Very nice, I just CompassPLUS. Custom cabs. Door buttons on the back. Camera, is that a camera? New camera. 38.
38th floor. Going down.
Look at this. Nice. Check. I'm not clicking wheelchair because I know how glitchy as CompassPLUS is that. J. Going down.
Going down.
Going down. The floor. Ground. Sunny apparently. 16 degrees. Well, this fast, sometimes give me headaches. Look at the doors. They're like wibbling. Wobble, wobble, wobble. This safety brake it, not.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
Going up.
Let's have a look at the directory. Look at that. There's all the. Okay, I think that's all we can do here.